I thought we had bought a fake K9 wireless microphone until I discovered this. Welcome to Felbeck TV once again. Today I am super excited to unbox and review the K9 wireless microphone and also show you the techniques that you can use in case it's not functioning. So guys, we decided to purchase this wireless microphone toolkit because we wanted a clear sound whenever we are recording from a distance, and this product is one of the best products that we can ever lay our hands on because it's portable regardless of its affordable price as well, and the fact that it has 20 meters of accessible reception. That is quite a distance. That is the main reason why we have decided to purchase it, in order to use it during our interview sessions, our vlogging, and when we are going live online. So this will be one of the best things that will facilitate our video making in this content creating journey. Let's dive in and see what this sleek device has to offer.
The K9 wireless microphone comes in small, portable and convenient size. This package is compatible with Android Type-C and all iOS devices. As you can see, it comes along with a double microphone, one receiver, one iPhone adapter, and a USB cord cable for charging the devices. You just have to plug the receiver into your phone and then power on the microphone. You can start your recording as simple as that.
The K9 wireless microphone is easy to pair with your device and any other device. In a situation where it is incompatible with your phone, there are avenues to get it compatible, and I will demonstrate it in this video. So after charging the transmitter and the receiver for some hours, we decided to put it to use. This is what happened. My phone is Samsung Galaxy A24, and per the settings, we realized it was not compatible with the device. So we thought it was a fake product. However, I then discovered that some phones are very compatible with it, others are not. So what you have to do is that you have to look out for what we call the open camera. So guys, let me demonstrate how you can get the K9 wireless microphone connected to your phone regardless of the type of phone you are using. So if it is not compatible with yours, the only solution is for you to do this. You go to Play Store, then you go to search, then you type open camera. Yes, I've already installed it. That's how come it is here. Okay, so when you download the open camera, you open. Mine is already open. So before you can connect, this is how it is. First and foremost, you go to settings. Then you go to video settings. When you go to video settings, you scroll up to audio source. Then you tap. So you take it from camcorder to external device. Then right after, you close it. Now you come to your phone, then you tap on open camera. Now the moment you press recording, everything will start recording. So always make sure you take it from the camcorder to the external, and anytime you put it on external, boom, you are good to go. This particular video, I'm recording it with open camera, and it's one of the best apps you can ever use. I like the video quality, exposure it gives, and everything. So guys, in case your K9 wireless is not working, don't panic, because there is still a way to go, and this particular open camera does everything just like the camera on your phone. So guys, this is how it works. This is how we're able to find a solution to reusing the K9 wireless microphone, and it has been a very useful tool to us up to date. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to share this so that others will also benefit from it. And those we have promised to interview, guys, let's make it happen, because now we have our K9 wireless microphone. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I'm out.